Basically on the last few days of the month, the dealership's really scrambling to hit that number. And you'll never know truly whether or not you're getting a much better deal than everybody else unless you have that information in front of you and you can see
Right.
that that deal is much better than everybody else. And then when they give you that deal or they agree to that deal, you make the deal. You do it. Okay. You don't let the great deal pass you by. And it's funny because like even in what I'm doing, like my clients have to trust me to do what I'm doing, right? But I still have some customers where I'll present them a deal that I know is a super good deal. And I know that because I can look and see that even like a year or two old vehicle is going for more than what they're buying their car for, and I'll have to walk them through to actually present to them to show them all the different deals that I've gotten in writing to be able to prove that this is a really good deal.